Okay, it is collard greens and cabbage harvest time. Look at these beautiful leaves here. Oh yes, time to harvest you. Look at that. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let me get busy harvesting these beautiful collard greens grown in Big Mama's garden. I'm taking all the bottom leaves off and leaving the top ones, the smaller ones, so they can continue to grow big and beautiful. Look at the back of it, in front of them, to make sure they're good enough. Those over there, I'm either gonna put them in the super juice or throw them away. Okay, I have a lot of collard greens to store and eat. Store in my freezer and cook when I'm ready to make some collard greens. We got a lot of them that had bolted and gone to seed. Look at all of those seed pods. Collecting some more of my collard greens again. Collect your seeds, people. Keep your seeds. Okay, I did a great harvest over here in this collard green bed. Like I said, I got a lot of seeds I can collect. Pulled off all the good bottom leaves and left the smaller ones to continue to grow. Go through the ones that I pulled out that were bad and see which ones I want to add into my super juice. I think I got a great harvest just off of this one section over here of collard greens. I'm not going to harvest any of the greens over here. I'm going to let them get a little bigger before I come and harvest over in this garden bed. Okay, let me get busy over here with this collard green bed and that collard green bed over there and harvest some more. I harvest a bucket full of collard greens today. Looking great. Yes, you are. I have a lot of collard greens that have bolted and gone to seed over here as well. Look at these. Look at all the little seed pods that I'm going to be able to collect. Collect more collard greens. I'm rinsing my collard greens outside here. Sprinkle some salt on them. Clean them off. Make sure any bugs still on them. They're gonna die from that salt. Okay. Let me get them here soaking real good. Oh, got a lot. But I'm gonna have to clean and peel off this stem and store them way in the freezer. Got a lot of work to do. I'm gonna let them soak in this water for a good while. Beautiful collard greens. Grown a bit on the side. Now it's time to get over here and harvest some cabbage. Look how beautiful that cabbage head is. Oh, that's big. Okay. See some more trying to grow here. Have some carrots growing over in here. I have some cabbage over here. Okay, so let me get busy harvesting my cabbage today. I glanced over here and look what I saw. A carrot coming on out the ground. He said, I'm ready. I think I better harvest you. Let's see what you look like, carrot. Oh, just a little bitty one. Okay, like two of them hooked together there. But you're still gonna be edible. Yes, you are. Okay, carrot. I see two more that's peeking up above the ground here. I wasn't gonna harvest carrots, but I see y'all look like y'all ready to come out. So let's see what you look like, carrot. Okay. Ah, that's a big one now. Okay, carrot. Yes. Let's see what your friend next to you was gonna look like. Okay, come on, carrot. Oh, another big one. Okay, carrots. Y'all look great. Three carrots so far for the season. Okay. Y'all look nice. Well, I guess this is going to be a carrot harvest day too. Look at this here. Oh, they're starting to come up above the ground. They say, I'm ready. Come on, harvest me. Okay, let's see what you look like. Ah, okay. Got me a Bugs Bunny carrot there. Look at you. Yes. Let's see, I see one more over here. Okay, carrots. Y'all are coming up good. Ah, look at that. Oh, y'all are some nice sized ones. Okay. Let's see, one more. Oh, that was a little one. There, two of them stuck together there. I'm finding more carrots that's coming above the ground. They say, I'm ready. I'm ready. That's another little one. Okay, look at y'all. Okay. Look over here. I found some more carrots. Okay, carrots. Okay, come on, carrot. Ah. Look at that one. Okay. Wait a minute. I see another one here. Okay, carrots. Don't want to break it down inside there. Come on. It's stuck down in there. Okay, gotcha. Ah, another big one. Okay, nice size carrot. Found one more. They say don't leave me. I'm out here. Ooh, you stuck down in there good. Ah, look at you. It looked like another one was trying to grow in the middle of you there. Okay, I see one more, but it may be a little one. Yeah, another little one. Okay, you carrots are showing off here. Time I turn around, I'm finding another one. Okay. Okay, let's see what you're gonna look like. Okay, oh, nice size. Okay. Okay, carrots. Y'all looking great this season. Okay. Now I think that's probably it. Okay. Nice bunch of carrots. Yes. Okay, let me harvest this big head of cabbage here. Oh boy. Yes. Let's see. Okay. Yes. Look at you. Oh, you are heavy too. Okay, cabbage. Okay, cabbage. Yes. You looking great. Okay. Ooh, you're heavy. Let's go over here and harvest some of your other family members. Cut you off of here. Okay, okay. All right. Oh boy, y'all are heavy. Okay. Get here and clean you guys off. Not two so far. Okay, let's see. I may let you stay a little bit. You look like you're a little smaller. Okay, on this side, like it's just this one over here that's ready to harvest. This one here is still soft there. And this one here is like it's getting ate up. I'm gonna pull all the dead leaves off of it. This is one that it already had. Look at that. I already had harvest. One. And the leaves grew back. It's trying to grow another cabbage. Let me get here and harvest this cabbage here over here. Okay, let's see. Okay, this one here look like it got some little bites on it, but I'm gonna pull those leaves on off of it, and we'll still be able to eat it. So today we have 3 cabbage harvests from Big Mama's garden. Yes. Cut you guys, clean you up and cut you up and put you in the freezer of the store until we're ready to eat you. Wonderful. And let me get busy pulling up all of these dead cabbage leaves. Come back and get you after you get a little bit bigger. Come over here and clean up this area here too. And let this one here grow a little bit bigger as well. Wonderful. Got all my cabbage, dead leaves pulled out. Got this one to come back and harvest, and this one to come back and harvest. Okay, look over here. I got lettuce growing over here, and some more carrots. Come on. Today's harvest from Big Mama's garden. A bucket full of collard greens, carrots, and cabbage, all grown in Big Mama's garden.